Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson V10 from any power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the trigger assembly. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the 2 screws. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger assembly away from the main body of the vacuum. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws. Now, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This is a good time to ensure the internal parts are functioning smoothly. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. With the internal parts clean, it's time to install the new trigger. Align the new trigger with the slots in the vacuum body and press it into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed and tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic. After securing the trigger, test it to ensure it operates smoothly. If the trigger feels sticky or doesn't engage properly, double-check the alignment and screws. At this point, if you find the repair too complicated or if you lack the right tools, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of making calls or traveling. Once you've confirmed everything is working correctly, clean the exterior of your Dyson V10. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the surface, ensuring there are no fingerprints or dust. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your vacuum. If you're interested in having a professional handle the repair, remember that we provide a quote before any repair service. This way, you'll have a clear understanding of the costs involved before proceeding. Finally, plug in your Dyson V10 and give it a test run. Ensure that the trigger responds as expected and that the vacuum operates efficiently. If you experience any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.